Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a newsletter with Substack, full guide step by step clearly. Creating a newsletter with Substack is a straightforward process. First, go to the Substack website. Click on the Start a Newsletter button. You will need to create an account. Fill in your email address and choose a password. Once you have signed up, confirm your email. Log in to your new Substack account. You will be prompted to set up your newsletter. Begin by selecting a name for your newsletter. Choose a name that reflects your content and audience. Next, write a brief description of your newsletter. After that, select a logo or header image. This image is important for branding your newsletter. Then, choose your newsletter's theme. Substack offers various customization options for color and layout. Once you've customized your look, it's time to set up your subscription options. Decide whether you want to offer free, paid, or a mixed subscription model. If you choose paid subscriptions, set your pricing. Next, configure your publishing frequency. You can opt for daily, weekly, or any custom frequency that suits you. Once that is set, it's time to create your first post. Click on the New Post button. Write your content in the editor, adding headings and images as needed. Make sure to edit and proofread your post for clarity. When you're satisfied with your post, click the Publish button. After publishing, promote your newsletter through social media and other channels. Take note of what content resonates with your audience. Continue to refine your content based on feedback and analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.